Minnie, did you see Titi anywhere? Jimin. Jin Yang, what happened? You are looking so angry. Now what did Titi do? Jin, don't ask Minnie. He has shattered the whole room in the morning. I arranged everything and now I have to arrange everything again. Jimin, don't be angry, Yang. He's just a kid. I will arrange your room. Jin, no Minnie, it's fine. I will do it by myself. By the way, why are you cooking alone? I was coming. Jimin, everything is done, Yang. You must be tired. Jin, I'm fine, Minnie. Why have you made so many dishes? Is any guest coming? Jimin, yes, Yang. Oma's some friends are coming, so she told me to prepare some delicious dinner for them. Jin, okay, let me prepare some dessert for them. Jimin smiled. Yang, I already prepared that and put it in the fridge too. Jin, oh, okay. Looked at the dishes. Minnie, you didn't prepare any snacks, so let me prepare that, said happily. Jimin showed him another bowl. Yang, I already did the preparation. See, when the guests arrive, I will serve hot snacks to them. Jin wins. It's not fair, Minnie. You didn't everything alone. You left nothing for me. I'm feeling guilty. Jimin, why are you feeling guilty, Yang? You were busy at your work. You weren't at home. Jin, it's all your fault. You should inform me about guests. Then I will come early. Jimin, then what happened to your work? Jin, Junivan handled that. Jimin, how much Junihangi manage? Yungi isn't here too. He needs someone to help him. Jin, you also need someone to help you. You can't do everything by your own. Jimin, Yang, I will manage everything. I don't have any work to do other than household chores. So I utilized my time in this. Now go and take some rest. You just returned back from office. Do you want any coffee? Jin, no, I don't want anything. You just go and take some rest. I will clean the kitchen and prepare the snacks too. Jimin, Yang. Jin pushed him. Go from here, go. Showed him his big frying pan. Jimin, I'm going, Yang. Why so angry? Left. He came outside to take some fresh air. He was so tired by making dinner. He was sweating hard, but now he is feeling a little bit better. Suddenly he heard some tingling voice and went to the couch. There a cute boy was eating the strawberries quickly. Jimin, so you are here. Do you know Yang was searching you in entire house? T looked at him. Yes, Titi knows. Oma was searching Titi. Jimin, why did you shatter the room? Now Yang has to arrange everything again. T, Minnie, it's not Titi's fault. Titi was only searching Titi's paper sheet. Titi is all innocent, but Oma wants to beat poor Titi. That's why Titi hide here. Shh, don't tell this to Oma. Uti? Jimin, but Titi, it's very wrong. You shouldn't shatter the things. T, Minnie, Titi told you, nah, it's not Titi's fault. Titi's all innocent. Jimin looked at strawberries and what's this? T showed him a strawberry. It's a strawberry, sweet, sweet strawberry. Licked his lips. Appa brought this for Titi. Jimin snatched the bowl from his hand. No more strawberries. T shouts, no, Titi wants strawberries. Jimin, T, behave yourself. Shouting on elders is a bad manners. Shouldn't I tell you this to your appa? T started fake crying. Ah! Hearing his crying, Mrs. Kim came there and picked in his arms and started pacifying him. Mrs. Kim, Titi, what happened, baby? Why are you crying? T, Harmony, Grandma, Minnie snatched Titi's strawberries. Mrs. Kim angrily looked at him. Why? Why did you snatch my son's strawberries? Jimin, Uma, it's dinner time. If he will eat strawberries, then he won't eat his dinner. And eating this much strawberries isn't good for his health too. Mrs. Kim, and who are you to decide what will my TT eat or not? He's eating for his appa's money, not your dad's money. Why are you feeling bad? Do you feel pain if he eat anything? He didn't eat anything except few things, and you don't want him to eat that too. How can you be this much cruel? Jimin, Oma, I didn't mean that. He can eat anything. After all, Junhyang brought this for him only. I only want him should eat dinner. If he will fill his tummy by strawberries, he won't be able to eat dinner. Then Jinhyang will be mad on him. Mrs. Kim, don't try to become over smart. When you got red-handed by abusing my TT, then you are trying to cover up things. Jimin, abusing Oma, I only stopped him to eat strawberries. You are making a mountain out of molehill. Mrs. Kim, shut up. Don't forget with whom are you talking. How dare you open your mouth in front of me? I know how much shameless you are, but you became mannerless too. What are you doing here? I told you to prepare dinner, right? Jimin, Jinhyang, Mrs. Kim, what? One work I gave to you, only one work to prepare dinner for the guest, and you gave that to Jin. How much work he will do? He goes to office to help June in our business. He takes care of whole house. He takes care of everyone's needs. He only gets little time to spend with his son, but you can't even see that. If you are childless, then it doesn't mean you won't let my Jenny to spend some time with his son. How will you know the meaning of child and parent relationship when you are childless? Now, will you know what the happiness of having children is? You only know how to separate people, just like you separated my Yoongi from me. Don't know what black magic you did on him. He didn't listen to me before you came into his life. He was his Oma's boy, but now he doesn't listen to me even once. Jimin looked at him with teary eyes. Oma, Mrs. Kim snatched the bowl of strawberry. Don't show these crocodile tears. I have seen this many times. Doorbell rang. I think guest arrived. Go and wear something good. Don't come in front of my friends with your pathetic face. Jimin ran from there while crying hard. Teen looked at Jimin and feeling guilty, but not Mrs. Kim. Mrs. Kim gave the bowl of strawberries to Teen. Eat, baby, eat as many strawberries you wanna eat. Nobody stop you. Ruffles his ears and left. Time skipped after some times. Jin served Mrs. Kim and her friends dinner. Jimin was in his room. They all were talking with each other. Woman 1. Mrs. Kim, where is everyone? Mrs. Kim, Mr. Kim went out of town for few days. June and Yoongi haven't arrived yet. He is my elder son-in-law, Jin, June's husband. Hello everyone. Everyone except Jin and Mrs. Kim. Hello. Who is this cute boy? Mrs. Kim? Mrs. Kim smiled. He is Hopi, my elder son's June's elder son. Woman 1. His face resembles with Jin. Mrs. Kim, not only face but their quality is matched too. Let me meet you, my younger grandson, Titi. He is so cute. Titi, come to Halmoni. T ran there. Yes, Halmoni. Grandma, you call Titi? Jin, T, did you eat strawberries? T shook his head vigorously. Yes, Oma. Mrs. Kim, Jin, don't scold him. He was hungry. Let me clean his face. Jin, Titi, say hello to everyone. T tried to bow but fell on the floor. Hee hee. Hello everyone. I'm Titi. Flashed his boxy smile. Woman 2. Oh, he's so cute. Tried to pull his cheeks, but he ran to Jin and hugged him tightly. Jimin came there. Hello everyone. Port 90 degree. Woman 3. Hello. Who is he, Mrs. Kim? Mrs. Kim, he is Jimin, Yoongi's husband. Woman 4. Jimin, where is your child? Woman 3. Yeah, show us Yoongi's child too. Mrs. Kim, they don't have any child. Don't know whatever, I will be able to see my beloved youngest children or not. Woman 2. What? You still have no child? If I am not wrong, then it's been 5 years since you both are married, but still haven't planned any baby. Woman 1. Do you have any problem? If yes, then I know this specialist doctor. Jin. No, aunt, there isn't any problem. They are still so young to have baby. They will plan the baby whenever they want. Anyways, TT is enough of running all of us behind him. So we really can't afford any child now, said jokingly. Aunt, please have the dinner, otherwise it will be cold. Woman 1. Food is so tasty. Mrs. Kim, of course it will be. This all made by my elder son-in-law, Jin. He is the best chef. Jin, Jimin held his hand. Jimin slowly shook his head. Yang, no. Woman 2. Jin, you are all-rounder. You handle office and home perfectly. Mrs. Kim, of course he will be. After all, I have chosen him for my June. Self-praised himself. Arthur's point of view. Mr. Kim and Mrs. Kim has 2 sons, Namjoon and Yoongi. Namjoon were 7 years married couple and Yoonmin are 5 years married couple. Mrs. Kim doesn't like Jimin. Yoonmin did love marriage against Mrs. Kim's will. Jimin wasn't this type. He likes Jin a lot. He always compares Jimin with Jin. Jin is the son of their business partner. Namjoon has 2 sons, Hobie 5 years old and TT 4 years old. Jimin is a homemaker. He takes care of the house and Namjoon's son. Jin always treats Jimin like his younger brother and always help him. Hobie always helped Jimin in household chores. TT is as usual naughty. He always escaped from Jin. Yoongi always took Jimin's side. Because of that, Mrs. Kim hated Jimin more. Yoongi told to Jimin many times to live separately, but he always denied. He doesn't want to become the reason of family's dispute. In these 5 years, he tried his best to win Mrs. Kim's heart, but he badly failed. Mrs. Kim always mistreats him and taunted him in front of everyone too, just like she did today. Yoonmin tried for baby, but they couldn't get any. Mrs. Kim took the advantage of this and make him feel low. Time skipped after some times. Guests went to their home. Jin, Jimin and Mrs. Kim were in the living room. June and Yoongi haven't returned yet. Hobie was playing with TT. Jin was fuming in anger. Jin, oh ma, you didn't do good today. Mrs. Kim, lovingly, what happened, son? What did I do? Jin, why did you tell everyone that I prepared the dinner? But the truth is, it was all prepared by Jimin. You can't give Jimin's credit to me. This is so wrong. Mrs. Kim, chill baby. I don't know. It was prepared by Jimin. I saw you in the kitchen, so I thought it was prepared by you. It's not a big deal. Jin, it's a big deal, Oma. He did all the hard work and in front of everyone you praised me, which was his. Jimin, Hyang, please. Jin, no Minnie, I won't be silent today. Oma, you embarrassed him in front of others. Why did you taunt him for child? We both know they are trying their best. Mrs. Kim angrily looked at Jimin. See, because of you, today my Jinny, who never opened his mouth in front of me, now fighting against me. Are you happy now? Haven't you satisfied to snatch my Yoongi, so now you wanted to snatch my Jinny and June too? Don't know what was the unfortunate time when you come in Yoongi's life. You mix poison in our happy life. If Yoongi listened to me and married to my chosen person, then by now I was playing with my grandchild. You ruined my Yoongi's life. Because of you, he can't become father. You're nothing, just an unlucky for our whole family. Jimin, I'm sorry for everything. Ran to his room while crying hard. Jin shouts, Minnie, stop. Mrs. Kim, his crocodile tears again started. Left. Jin sat on the couch while holding his head. What should I do in this situation? Put his hand on his shoulder. Jinny? Jin looked at him. Yuni, you both took so much time to return. Jungi loosened his tie and sat on the couch. Yes, Yang, we had to attend an urgent meeting. That's why it took this much time. Jin gave them water. Jinny, you are looking tensed. What happened? Jungi, what else could be happen other than your brat and clingy son Titi? Definitely he broke the things or again shattered the house. June, is this so? It's okay, Jinny. He is just a child. I will talk with him. Titi ran to him and hugged him tightly. Titi isn't bratty. Titi is a good boy, cat. Jungi, leave me, you clingy bear. How many times should I tell you to not hug me? Jinhyang, please help me. Jungi removed his hand. Titi, why are you disturbing Uncle? Dada. You know, today Titi shouts on Minnie, and because of that harmony, Grandma scolded Minnie. Namjin and Jungi, what? June held T's both the hands and made him stand in front of him. T, why did you shout on Jimin? T, Minnie didn't let Titi to eat Titi's strawberries. Jin angrily, so you will shout on Minnie? T, scared and immediately held his ears by his hands. Titi, surely, Titi will never shout on Minnie. Hobie, Titi, your sorry won't work. You can't eat the strawberries for whole 2 days. Looked at Jin. Right, Toma? Jin, right, Hobie? T, no, Titi will die. June, T, go and stand at the corner by facing wall. Hobie, keep your eyes on him. Hobie, okay, Tata. Held his hand and dragged him. Jungi, Yang, has anything else happened? Jin told him everything. Whatever Oma did today is so wrong. June, today Oma crossed her all the limits. Let me talk with her. Jungi, Yang, let it be. Please don't say anything to her. She will again accuse Jimin. It's all my fault. I shouldn't have brought him here. I knew Oma's behavior very well. Then also I brought him here. I should live separately with him. Jin, you should have thought about this earlier. Now he has become very attached to everyone and can't stay away from us. Jungi, I told her Yang, but he didn't listen to me. He didn't want me to be separated from my family. About to go. Jin, now where are you going? Jungi, to check Jimin. Jin, give him some space. He needs it. Go and freshen up in our room. Till then, I'm serving the dinner. Jungi, I'm not hungry, Yang. Jin, I didn't ask you, Will. Don't worry. I won't let Minnie to stay straight. Meanwhile, with Jimin ran to his room while crying hard and sat on the floor and while hugging his legs and started crying. He was just fed up by Mrs. Kim's complaints and taunts. It's getting unbearable for him. Suddenly door opened and 2 cute boys came inside. They were Hobie and Titi. Hobie was holding the plate of food and Titi was holding the glass of water. They put the plate and glass on the side table and went to Jimin. Jimin sat on the floor trying to see Jimin's face. Minnie! Jimin remained silent. Minnie, are you angry on Titi? Titi, surely. Titi won't shout on Minnie. Appa already got Titi's strawberries. Shook him. Minnie, are you listening to Titi? When Jimin didn't reply him, he snuggled into his legs and somehow fit himself in Jimin's lap and hugged him tightly. Hobie hugged him too. He wiped his tears by his cute tiny baby hands. Titi, surely, Minnie, please don't cry. Hobie hugged him cheeks. Hobie loves Minnie a lot. Please don't cry. If Minnie cries, then Hobie will cry too. Jimin hugged both of them tightly and started crying loudly. Hobie and Titi were patting his back. Hobie, Minnie, why are you crying now? T. Hobie hungry. Titi thinks Minnie's eyes became tap. That's why it's not stopping. We should close the tap, otherwise Titi will drown. Dubuk, dubuk, dubuk. Jimin laughed a little bit to hear Titi's dubuk, dubuk. Jimin wiped his tears. Don't worry, Minnie. Minnie won't let Titi dubuk, dubuk. Hobie offended. And what about Hobie? Does Minnie let Hobie dubuk dubuk? Jimin, no, Minnie won't let Hobie dubuk dubuk too. Jimin was fine now. Hobie and Titi's cute talks diverted his mind. Dad says na, talking with children is the best therapy. Hobie and Titi fed Jimin his dinner. First Jimin denied, but Hobie and Titi were very stubborn. They didn't hear anything. Namjoon and Yoongi were watching everything while standing at the door frame and smiled to see how Jimin, Hobie and Titi were happily talking. Yoongi, Hobie, Titi, your Oma and Appa are calling you. T, looking at Yoongi. Cat, don't make Titi's Minnie cry, otherwise Titi will bite you and Hobie will scratch you. Hugged Jimin tightly and left from there. Yoongi locked the door and picked Jimin in his arms and sat on the bed with him. Jimin hugged him tightly. Yoongi, what happened to my love? Why is my love crying? Jimin, nothing. Yoongi kissed on his top of the head. You can't lie from me. Jimin, Oma's friends came today for dinner. They asked about your child. Yoongi, so tell them Hobie and Titi are also a child. Jimin, yes they are, but now everyone wants to see your child. Yoongi, but I don't. Jimin, Yoongi, you deserve someone better. I can't give you a child. Yoongi, I only deserve you. I don't want any child. We are enough for each other. Jimin, it's all my fault. Yoongi, no, it's ours. We try to have child, but if it's not happening, then how can only you in fault? I'm equally responsible for it. Stop thinking rubbish. Why do we care about what other things for us? It's our life. We will spend it in our ways. Who are there to interfere in our life? If we have a child or not, what benefit they get from this? We are happy with each other. It's matter the most for me. Yes, Oma taunts you a lot and doesn't let any single chance to humiliate you in front of others. I have a solution for this by which she can't taunt you. Jimin looked at him. What? Yoongi, let's live separately. Jimin, what are you saying, Yoongi? No, we can't live separately. Forget about it. Yoongi, why? Oma always taunts you and I can't see you like this. Jimin, she's angry because we did marriage against her will. Oma taunts, but Namjoon Hyung love me a lot and Hobie and Titi are my life. They can't live without me. How will Jin Hyung manage office and home both? And Oma, she always forget to take his medicine. Who will take care of us? No, I can't go anywhere after leaving my family. They all are my family. Yoongi smiled. That's why I married you. Kissed on his forehead. Now, let's sleep. Time skipped at next day. Jin was preparing the dinner. Mrs. Kim was sitting on the couch. Jimin was helping Hobie and Titi in their homeworks. Suddenly, a cute boy ran to him and hugged him tightly. Uma! Jimin became numb. He had been yearning to hear these words from centuries. Finally, he heard this magical word, Oma. A tear of satisfaction dropped from his eyes, which was quickly wiped by the boy. Jimin hugged him tightly. Say again, boy, Oma. Mrs. Kim to boy. Hey, who are you and how did you come to my house? Yoongi, he is mine and Jimin's son, Cookie. Now we aren't childless, we have our own son. Jimin looked at Yoongi with teary eyes. Our son? Yoongi wiped his tears. Yes, my love, our son. June, Hobie, Titi, meet your younger brother Cookie. T happily looked at him. Dada, he will call Titi Hangi. June, of course he will call Titi to Hangi, but for that Titi should teach him words. He is only 2 years old, he can't speak properly. Hobie, Dada, Hobie will teach him. Don't worry. T and Titi will give him his all the toys. Mrs. Kim angrily, I won't accept him as my grandson. You adopted him. He doesn't have our blood. Leave him from where you brought. He can't live in my house. Yoongi, Oma, don't worry. He won't live in your house. I knew it. You will say this. I brought him here to meet you. Oh, Jimin, go and pack our bags. We will live in our new home with our child. Jimin, shocked. What? Mrs. Kim, no, you can't leave me. I'm your mother. I gave you birth. Yoongi, I also don't want this, but you didn't let any choice in front of me. Yes, you're my mother, and I can't never forget this. But this boy, Jimin, is my husband, whom you always taunt and blame without any reason. You know what? When I told him to live separately, then he said no. He doesn't want to live separately because of you. You never accepted him, but he accepted you as his Oma. I can't let him live in this toxic atmosphere, so it will be better for everyone that we will go from here. Hobie hugged Jimin. Hobie will also go with Minnie. Hobie can't live without Minnie. T hugged him too. Titi will also go. Jin, don't worry, Uma. Let them go. Me and June will stay here with you. Indeed, Hobie and Titi are our son, but Minnie is the one who looks after them. He raised them, so it will be better if they both live with Minnie and Uni. Mrs. Kim, Jin, what are you saying? How can you let your son go? Jin, I can let them go because I know Jimin will take care of them better than me. A mother isn't one who only gives birth to a child. A mother is one who takes care of her child's small needs. And in my case, Minnie did that. I can work freely without any worry because Minnie was there all the time to take care of Hobie and Titi. Yoongi, give me 2 minutes. I will quickly pack Hobie and Titi's clothes and other stuffs. Mrs. Kim, no, I won't let anyone to go from here. Yoongi, I will stop here when you will accept Jimin as your son-in-law and Cookie as your grandson. I want equality between us. Mrs. Kim doesn't have any choice rather than accepting Jimin and Cookie. She knows Yoongi very well. He won't give any false warning. Everyone was so happy. Their family was completed with Cookie. We can't expect Mrs. Kim's thinking and behavior will change immediately. She needs some time to accept this change. Love knows no biology because family is not made from blood. It is made from love. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. This was the mixture of 2 requests, but I changed a lot in storyline. I hope I didn't disappoint you. It's okay if you can't have child. It's not a curse. God give you a chance to raise a child and give him or her a better life. Relation can't be proved by blood. It will prove by love and your good upbringing. But some narrow-minded people can't understand this simple thing. Thank you so much for 4K+ subscribers. It really means a lot for me. I hope you all enjoyed this journey with me. I wish our family grow more in future too. On 4K special, I wanted to make a story on a strong topic, and adoption is the strongest. That's why I chose it. Some narrow-minded people can't understand the beauty of my pure and unique story. Their mind is filled with nonsense. I wanna ask, are you feeling bored with Yunmin and Cookie's story? Or you are enjoying and wanna see more stories in future? Please tell me. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.